Book. Book.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Get a book for them.
Book for 'em.
Okay.
Book for 'em.
You can stand on the book.
Look.
Where's Mickey? Right there. Whose birthday is it?
Donald.
Are you gonna sing? Are they gonna sing Happy Birthday for him?
Talk. Talk.
Okay.
This.
Like that?
Look.
That's what he's doing. With his hands. Like that. Mm-hmm.
Talk. Talk.
What are they talking about?
Glee.
Oh.
No. No. No.
No. Okay. I was just taking a picture of them. See? You could see them on the camera then.